We live completely off the grid with solar power, and I thought an Instant Pot would use way too much power. But after a huge yogurt fail with my usual method, I decided to finally give Instant Pot a try. And today, we're going to see what happens when you use an Instant Pot off the grid.
The Ready Life, into the country.
Hey there, I'm Lisa Meissner, and here on The Ready Life, you're going to get tips to help you become independent and take back control of your basic necessities like water, food, heat, and power. All right, I'm going to try making some raw milk yogurt with an Instant Pot. This is literally the first time I've ever used an Instant Pot, if you can believe that. Anyhow, I grabbed the kilowatt meter because I'm going to track how much power this thing uses over the next 24 or potentially 48 hours. I guess we shall see. And I'm going to put it in there. Plug in. All right. Aha, it's alive. So I've got my milk. I went ahead and warmed it up because I was going to do it in my crock, but my oven is a good old-fashioned pilot oven, and I can't set it for exactly 100 or 105. I've got my yogurt here. When you're getting yogurt to make yogurt with, this is my culture that I use, you want to make sure that the ingredients is just milk and cultures, because if you've got any flavorings or any preservatives or anything else in here, it will mess up your yogurt that you're trying to culture. So, some good cultures. Dump that into my milk. So, I just gotta whisk that yogurt into the milk. I've made yogurt quite a number of times using soy milk, and usually I just warm the soy milk up to about 110 degrees, add the yogurt cultures, and then put it into a crock, wrap it in a towel, and stick it in my oven overnight. I don't even turn the oven on. And by the next morning, I've got delicious, thick yogurt. I say thick, not like Greek yogurt thick, but just like regular yogurt thick. And it's nice. But this time, I am trying it with some raw milk. So we'll see how it goes. I got it mixed in nice. Look at that. Happy Instant Pot. Okay, so yogurt. See, it just changed. It's been on for 1 minute now. So bingo.
And it was showing like 900 and some watts a minute
When
ago.
it first started.
So it's cycling on and off. It's off for a moment, but it'll be turning on in a minute.
All right, I guess we'll see what happens. All right, so the timer just went off. It's been 24 hours. Originally, when I started it, I didn't realize it had said 8 hours. So it went 8 hours, and then I had to reset it for another 16 hours. So it would go the full 24 hours. But anyway, first time Instant Pot user, what can I say? All right, hey, look at that. That looks amazing. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Curious how much power it used. Well, 0.14 kilowatt hours, that would be 140 watt hours. So not bad at all. Yay! Okay, let me just look at how thick that is. That's awesome. Anyone want to taste test it, you guys? Got some very eager beavers over here. Here you go. You want to try it? What do you think? Is it good? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm going to hand you the spoon. There we go. Is it good?
That's good.
All right. Wow. I'm impressed. I never thought I'd say this, but I'm actually convinced now I need an Instapot for off-grid living. And this experiment got me thinking, what other appliances could actually work off-grid? So if you want to learn how you can use modern tools while staying self-sufficient, that's only one of the many things we cover inside the Ready Life Academy. And right now, you can test it out totally free by going to thereadylife.com/try. If you need an experienced friend in your corner to help you become less dependent on the system and take control of your basic necessities, that's exactly what you'll get in the Academy. Just click the link below or visit thereadylife.com/try to check it out for free and start building your ready life today.